Hello everyone. It's been a little bit too much time for me, but I'm very busy with a lot of projects now. But I want to upload two videos today. This is the first one. In this one, all I want to do is to check the model that we build. And how we're going to check it? By presenting to him data that he has never seen before. So to do that, what I did is I added two classes to our code. I will walk you through them. They're very basic. One is input, so we can write text, and the other one is a button that we can just press and get the predictions. So the classes are written very basic, like any other class in processing. We define the class, we define the variable that we want. Here we have the constructor with the variables of the constructor, and then we assign the variables to one another. Then we write the functions that we want to execute. Here, what I'm doing is that I give him if the mouse is over the button, then do one thing, and if it's not over the button, do another thing. And here I just write a function that checks if the mouse is over or not over the button. The input class is the same, a little bit more sophisticated because we're dealing with text and not just pushing the button. They're both going to be in the GitHub repository. All this code will be there, and you can check it out and ask questions, write comments, give a like. And so now we will move to the main code. In the main code, all I did is just add in some variables that I needed to run the two other classes, define the inputs and the button, and then I just wrote one class to get a prediction and another class so I can type. I should say that there is a library in processing called P5, don't remember, but it's there. I will write the name in the description, and it have all the capability of writing text and pushing buttons and very fancy stuff. Usually I like to write my own classes, so this is my own way of doing this, but it's not really connected to the AI stuff, so everyone can do as he likes. So this is the code. Now just let's check this out. What will be the result? So as you remember, we just run it. As you remember, this we had in the last video. The model is running, training until it gets to the result. It's much more accurate than I was thinking. And here I just we have three text fields that we can put another the test that we want. So this is the data set that we have. It's a ridiculous data set, but then just let's write something that is not here. Let's say we will tell him to calculate 3 plus 1 plus 4. And let's see what will be the result. He will put it in the console. He's saying that the result is 7.9999824, and we're supposed to get 8. So this is ridiculously accurate to the basic model that we wrote. You have to remember, for now, all we have is a bunch of inputs. We have only one hidden node. We don't have more than one hidden node. So this is really basic, and an output. So this is this makes me very optimistic about this project that we get such good results. Um, you can download the code from the GitHub repository. You can play with that, try different data set. You can put your own data set here. All you have to remember is just if you put more input, then to the test you will have to add another input. Everything have to be aligned. Also, in the nodes, if you add more inputs, then here you have to change this. We will make this really automatically, but for now, just be aware of that. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please ask, give a like, write comments, and I will see you soon. The next video will come very shortly. Have a great day.